Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Engineer Masood Akhtarkiani, and today we have the technical session number 29. Our subject is soil as material in civil engineering. So we will discuss about the types of the soil, properties of the soil, and general as a material. In general, the loose top layer of the earth surface consisting of rock, mineral particles mixed with decayed organic matters, humus, and capable of retaining water, providing nutrients for the plants, and supporting a wide range of biotic communications. Soil is formed by the combination of depositional, chemical, and biological process and plays an important role for the carbon, nitrogen, and hydrologic cycles. Soil types are vary from widely from region to region, and depending upon the types of the bedrock, what they are lies, and the climates which they are formed. In wet the humid regions, in wet and humid region, for example, soils tend to thicker than the other one. Soils are complex of mixture, mineral, water, and the organic matters, and contrast organic, and there are decaying remains of one living things. It forms at the surface of the land, and its skin of the earth soil is capable to supporting plant life and the vital life to the earth, because the in that case soil is there is erosion and the deposition. This is the common process for the soil. When the erosion coming, flood coming, so some areas eroded and deposit to the other place and formed as a typical bed, which is the combination of conglomerates, boulders, rocks, stone, siltstone, whatever the things coming from the erosion, it is deposited as a layer, and due to the passage of times, this layer become a hard bed. Even some layers having the fossils and these things, but at the time of the soil investigation, the exactly data of the area will come, and exact the geology of the area, it will come in the form of the shape of reports. So then it is depending upon the design of the buildings, heavy structures, roads, pavements, whatever it is, according to the soil investigation data and the detailed description, the design will take place. There are physical and chemical properties of the soils, which is acted upon the types of the soil in order to verify the design and carried out the design parameters and verification of the design parameters. There are water contents, calcium carbide method and the oven dry method, and then free swell index of the soil, plastic limit, Atterberg limits, shrinkage of the soil, sedimentation of the soil, particular size of the soil, particular size distribution of the soil, which is sieve analysis, specific gravity of the soil, in situ dry density of the soil by sand replacement method, and the water method also by volume, and also in a nuclear tests also, which is not commonly conducted nowadays. In situ dry density of the soil by core cutting, the maximum dry density of the optimum moisture content, which is the Proctor test, and due to the Proctor and other studies, the properties will come out. There are more entries, determination of dry density of the soil, and like the plastics limits, and then the compaction of the soil, it will be mechanically compacted, and the result will depend upon the specification of the soil of the projects, and whatever the requirements, parameters according to the relevant standards. In other words, the test particular density also it is verify the bud composition. So CBR, California bearing ratio, consolidation test, and this all are the properties of the chemical properties and the physical properties, soil by sulfate chloride and salt test and whatever the combination coming it is. So these tests all verify the soil as material in the design and the design for the high-rise buildings, design foundation for the bridges, roads, pavements, whatever the requirements coming. So all of these properties are studied, and according to that, the design will make for the appropriate structure. So this is the briefing about the soil, and next subject we will see each other with another subject, and hopefully you like it. And thank you very much, and have a nice day.